Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your iPhone model and current iOS version so you get the correct update. Next, backup. Use iCloud or Finder/iTunes because updates can fail and you want your data safe. Once backed up, plug the device in or confirm at least half battery and join a reliable Wi-Fi. Cellular updates may be blocked for major releases. Now open Settings, tap General, and select Software Update to fetch the latest available build. After the update appears, tap Download and Install and enter your passcode when prompted. This authenticates the process. The device will download the package, watch storage and network progress. Make sure it remains on Wi-Fi and plugged in. If the download stalls, cancel and retry after toggling airplane mode or restarting the phone. Once the file is ready, you can opt to install now or install tonight. Selecting Install Tonight schedules the reboot for later, while saving your immediate work. When installation starts, your iPhone will reboot and show the Apple logo with a progress bar. Do not disconnect. This can take several minutes and may show multiple progress stages. Once complete, follow on-screen setup steps like entering your Apple ID and re-enabling Face ID or FaceTime. If the update fails, put the device into recovery mode and use Finder or iTunes to restore from the backup you made earlier, then reapply the update. Make sure to update apps afterward to avoid compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.